Okay, starting in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Dear students, welcome back to our next video. Uh, Before I'm going to start my video, try to subscribe our channel Multi Skills Learn Academy. Yesterday, we discussed the important points of MS PowerPoint. If you remember, we have MS PowerPoint. Like it means the first file menu we have already discussed this one, and that will be complete. So today we are going to start home menu. The first one, if I'm going to write here, for example, text whatever you want to write, so you can write here any text, right? So I write one of the text. I'm going to start from home menu, select all of them from control A. From cut means you can cut the text. Copy means if I'm going to copy this one and paste in here, click on the paste, automatically that will be pasted. Number three, if I'm going to give them a color in Word program, we also discussed this one and give them a different design from here, right? And I want to apply this design on this one. Click format pointer and just select this one. That will be automatically changed to that one. It means you can copy and paste on another text. The next one is slide. New slide means there is a different type of slide available. Like for example, I'm going to choose this one. So in this slide, if you have any picture, if you want to select, it means I select one of the picture in here. And after that, if you want to mention any title, for example, history of a computer, you should mention it here. Or whatever text you want to write in here, you can write any text. Like for example, if I'm going to write any text, you can write it. The picture, like it means from new slide, you can select which slide you want. There is a different slide. Like for example, this one should means you can choose one of them. Slide means if I'm taking this one, you should write the title in here. For example, I'm going to write history of Pakistan, right? In here, it will be one thing. You can just choose one of them. Table, smart art, chart, for example, very small, this one online picture or simple picture. You can choose one of them, not all of them. You can implement all of them. Just select one of them and select also one of them from here and give them a title. Then you can easily preview. Preview means F5 is the preview shortcut of a full screen. Clear? F5. So the next one we have in the layout. So in here is just two options. Number one, duplicate means if you take a copy of this one, you can take a copy. It means duplicate, right? Outline means if you have the outline of this one, this is called outline. This one, outline. If you have in the computer, you can choose. Read slide source means like for example, if you have in the internet or browser any slide, so you can easily take from here. In the layout also we have different type of slide. If you want to choose from here or if you want to choose from here, as you wish. The next one is, for example, if I'm going to make this one a small, I just make it small. Again, I reset means it will be coming by default size. Clear? If I take it a section means every slide will be printed separate. It means every slide will be separate. Or if I take remove in here, remove means for example, all the slide will be printed by one by one. Clear? Separate will make every slide individual. The next one, we also discuss in the Word program, like for example, which text style you want to choose, how many size you want to choose, increase or decrease of size in here, for example, give them color. If you want to clear this color, click on this one, text color, clear format, clear. B bold, I means italic, U means underline, S means shadow. Clear? They will give you a small shadow to your text. Straight means in the middle we have a line. Loose means I need loose, very loose, normal, every normal you can choose from here. Clear? The next one, I just give them a color, clear format, it will be clear. From here, you can give them a bullet, for example, like this, bullet like this. Which one you want to choose, you can choose from here. The next one is number, which number you want to give them this. So there is 1, 2, 3, there is ABC, which one you want to choose, you can choose. The next one, you need in the middle, at the end, or in the start. In which style you want to give them, like spacing it. You can give a space. If you have 1,000 line, you can select all the text and here you can give a space. Direction means you can change the direction. Like this, I need like this, if I need like this. So this one is a normal. Clear? Alignment of text in the top, for example, that will be coming in the top, in the middle, that will be giving, that is the bottom. It means we have three steps: top, middle, and end. Right? If I want to convert this shape, then click on this one. You can easily convert or change the shape, for example, like this. So that will be changed to that one. Look at the style is changed. So any style if you want to change, so from here you can easily change. If you want to give them the color, so you can give from here. It means from this one you can change the shape. If you want to draw any shape from here, you can draw. For example, I'm going to draw in here like this. You can draw whatever shape if you want to draw, so you can easily draw from here. This one is alignment. Clear? For example, I have three shape. Control N for new page, and I'm going to delete this one, also delete this one. Then I'm going to insert menu and going to shape and draw, for example, like this. Then control C and V. Then I'm taking select this one, control C, right, then control V, 2, right, number 3 V, then number 3. I have three shape. Look at, I stand in the backward, I select the backward shape. Clear? But from here I need bring to front, so that will be coming to the front one. If I say bring send to back, so that will be going to back. If I say bring forward, one step forward, look at, one step forward. Send backward means that will be going back side of the shape. The next one is group. Click control button and click select all the shape. Clear? If I click in the group form, so it means all of them will be moved in the group form, right? If I tick ungroup, so it means that will be ungroup. If you need regroupings once again groups, that will be once again group. Clear? So, and here we have alignment, like for example, you can give a center if you need in the right, in the top, in the middle, so you can tell from here, right? You can also move from here. There is no need of that option. Yeah. The next one, rotate means you can rotate from here a text from selection pen, for example, hide this one, show this one, you can do from here. From here you can just change the style, which style you need. For example, you can give them a different style. From here also you can give shift fill. For example, I like this style, you can give. If you want to give them other color, from here you can put the picture. If you need a gradient, so there is a different gradients. If you want to apply a texture, so there is a different texture. Look at here, like this you can apply. Look at it, there is a different color. Clear? So outline means outside of this one. This one is called outline. First, take outline like this. Look at like this, and give them color. Which color you want to need for outline? Look at, this is called outline. This is called outline. This one, clear? Effect, shadow, reflection, glow, soft effect, 3D style. So all of them is different type of style. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose one of them. Like for example, I need like this. Or if you want to need in other styles, you can choose whatever you want to choose. You can choose from here. The next one is find. If you have 1,000 words, if you want to find the specific ones, from here you can find a word. Replace means to change. For example, I'm find Ali. Ali will change to Ahmad. You can replace. We also studied word in Excel program. Select all means that will be select whole the text and shape. Select, the next one is select object. The shape we can select. Clear? All the shape will be selected. The next one is select selection pane. If you want to hide or show your shape, so you can easily do from here. If there is any NGO or organization logo, so you can easily hide from here, right? Like for example, you can say, for example, some of the employees maybe copy your, it means your front page, so that is why we can hide this one. So this was today menu of home. Tomorrow we are going to start insert menu. Again, I'm telling to you, this is our channel. So try to subscribe our channel, Multi Skills Learn Academy. Then try to share with your friends, because this one is a free of cost. Maybe a lot of poor people who have hope to learn computer easily. So it means you can share with the people and try. If you have any question and suggestion, you can write below in comment.